Main concern with those storms that rolled through earlier was hail, and we could still see that again with this complex of storms moving out of Tennessee into North Georgia, northern Alabama. The main issue with this line really has been wind, so we're going to have to watch that through the overnight hours, and we'll be here keeping you posted. We still have some heavy downpours too in Spartanburg and Union County. We'll zoom into that, but you can just kind of see we've got that isolated area, but then much more widespread severe weather potential later on tonight. So here's what we've got. This is not severe, but heavy rain continues in portions of Packlet, Pauline, extending over toward northern Union County, including areas like Lockhart, Jonesville. And again, there we go around Packlet, still seeing the heavy rain. Spartanburg, you've been hearing that thunder for quite some time. This is going to be moving away from you, but unfortunately, we have more in the way of that loud thunder coming in later on tonight. We have showers that are continuing even farther to the west, but luckily we're getting a break in those areas like Duncan and Reedville and more that got hit so hard with that hail. Again, there's that complex of storms, and it's on the trajectory to push the heaviest of the weather, the strongest wind through northeast Georgia and then ultimately into the upstate. Our severe threat levels, we're looking at hail and damaging wind as being the greatest. They're at about a moderate at this point, and hail has been inched a little bit higher after what we've seen tonight. Low end threat for a tornado, but it cannot be ruled out. So we'll watch all of this as it moves through, and then very low threat of flooding since this is a quick moving system, thankfully. So here's an updated futurecast. Here's midnight, a few showers out there. And then notice this particular model has really been weakening that complex, but the models have been struggling with this one. So I would still expect some heavy downpours, at least some rumbles of thunder, if not the possibility for some strong wind. Then we'll see things get going again, rather, as we head toward the 4 o'clock hour on Tuesday. This is when the front moves through, and this is when we'll have a chance, if we get enough heating during the day, for some storms to fire up. And there we have some storms to our south and west. Those could graze the area. That will likely be the best chance of any severe weather tomorrow, will be south of I-85 as those storms flare up. And then we'll see some lingering showers toward Wednesday morning. The good news is that will end our severe weather threat. Now, tomorrow's threat is on the low end. It's a marginal in the green, but that means that we could see those isolated, very strong storms. Now, as we go throughout the day, this is the wrong planner. This is Saturday, should say your day on Tuesday, but we'll talk more about that on the 7-day forecast. Somehow that one snuck in there. We're giving tomorrow a 7 on the sky meter since the rain is going to be fairly isolated, and wherever we do get it, though, we could see some stronger storms. So something that we've got to watch out for. A 30% chance for rain through the day tomorrow. Then Wednesday looks clear. Wednesday and Thursday, in fact, look beautiful. We'll have a chance for some rain on Friday with another front that rolls through, and that's going to lead us to a cooler Mother's Day weekend. In fact, Mother's Day morning could start in the upper 30s. So if you were thinking about maybe taking your mom to one of those outdoor dining places to have a good brunch, it's going to be a little chilly for that. Maybe the afternoon you could go sit outside and eat, but otherwise it's looking a little bit on the chilly side. We'll continue to keep you posted on those storms as they get closer, Tori.